In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copy.ai, the best AI writing software for small businesses. Whether you're crafting compelling marketing copy or need to generate engaging content, Copy.ai can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's dive right into how you can make the most out of this amazing software. First, head on over to Copy.ai. For the best experience, make sure you're logged into your account. That way you'll unlock all the features that come with the platform. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Chats. This option will open up the area where you can engage in interactive prompts and responses. You'll find this is where the magic of AI-assisted writing begins. After you've landed on the Chats page, look towards the top of the interface and click on Create New. This button is essentially your gateway to starting fresh with a variety of writing projects, and from here you'll simply need to hit Chat, which is usually on the upper right section of the page. This is where you can actually initiate a conversation with the AI, giving it specific instructions to follow. For example, imagine you manage a coffee shop and you want to craft some social media magic. Type out your request in the provided space. A good prompt might be something like, write 3 Instagram captions for Brewhaven Cafe promoting our new caramel latte. Make them friendly and engaging for young professionals. Once you press enter, Copy.ai will quickly generate options that you can select from, revise, or use as inspiration, easing your task by delivering useful suggestions you might not have thought of. Now, let's switch gears to workflows, a feature that helps streamline repetitive tasks. Start by clicking on Workflow. This is particularly useful if you need to perform a sequence of tasks regularly, saving you time and effort. Once in the Workflow section, choose Start Your Workflow with a trigger. This step lets you set the conditions under which your workflow will start, adding a layer of automation that can be especially useful for busy small business owners. After setting your trigger, the next logical step is to click on Add Input. This feature allows you to specify what information the workflow will act upon, further tailoring it to your specific needs. Finally, press All to review all the inputs and adjustments you've made to the workflow, ensuring everything is just right for your business operations. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to harness the full potential of Copy.ai for your small business. Whether it's generating engaging marketing copy or setting up efficient workflows, Copy.ai has the tools you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.